Okay, here's the finished, well, one of the iterations of the bolt melter. You can see that's the primary coil, and that big thick monster cable there is the secondary coil. And I've already melted a couple of small bolts, and these are 16 gauge brad nails. So we'll see how it lights them up. And here we go. As you can see, it melted through those brads like they were nothing. 2 seconds flat. Be nice if I can get some real current going to this thing and see what it can really melt. I may have to get some bigger leads though. Maybe build some copper pipe terminals for it. Anyway, that's the bolt melter I was talking about, built from a microwave oven transformer.